Hey friend, if you're serious about achieving these goals in 2024, listen up. I just got home. I haven't even taken off my jacket, but I was having this chat with a girlfriend of mine on the phone as I was out, and I thought, I got to get home and I got to record this video real quick. So here's the thing. Yes, January 1st is just around the corner, and we're starting a new year. But my friend, stop putting so much pressure on yourself to do things different and celebrate the successes that you have had in 2023. Because here's the thing. As you approach this year, I want you to think about this. My friend, the quality of your life is determined by the quality of the questions you ask yourself. So as you go into 2024, I want you to really get clear on the questions that you ask yourself. And so here's one question that I really encourage you to stop and really think about as you go into the new year. Are you ready? So as you set these big, hairy, audacious goals for the new year, or maybe they're small little goals, but you just know that they're goals and you want to achieve them, ask yourself this question. What must I believe to be true about me to be the me that achieved those goals? So you have to have a mindset that believes that you are the one that can achieve that goal. And in order to do that, you have to believe that there's something in you that's true, a change, a significant difference in your habits or your rituals. What do you believe about yourself to be true, to be the person who actually achieves that goal? Okay, lastly, the most important two steps of goal setting. Of course, there's lots of structures and frameworks that you can use, but it's my true belief that there's two magic things that really work when it comes to manifestation and really achieving those goals. Write it down. Number one, write it down. Write that goal down. Get super clear about it. When do you want to achieve it? How do you want to achieve it? What do you need to do to achieve it? But written is real, my friends. Whether you think it is or not, it is happening and it is working. So please write it down. I can't tell you how many times this has worked for me. The second thing is close your eyes and visualize every element. How does it feel? How does it look? What are the colors? What are the smells? What's happening around you? What's behind you? What's beside you? What is happening when you achieve that goal? How are you celebrating that success? I actually have bottles of champagne in my fridge that have labeled successes. I've popped many and some have been there for a couple of years, but I can't wait to open them, and I wish you success in abundance in the year ahead.